ERADENS X. Extra easy, extra rugged, extra accurate. Density reimagined. Starting the analyzer. Switch on the instrument by pushing the power button. As soon as the application software is loaded, the analyzer is immediately ready to use. Measurement. Select the method from the drop-down list, such as density, specific gravity, API density, or a concentration measurement like ethanol in water. Pre-configured measuring parameters, including the test temperature, are automatically applied. Additional methods and conversion tables can be created and customized in the settings menu. Enter the sample ID or select it from the list. Take 5 ml of sample with the syringe, attach it to the inlet assembly at the top, and inject the sample into the analyzer. The filling status and the live density reading can be observed directly on the measure screen. Press Run to start the automatic measurement. As soon as the density value has stabilized, the bubble quantification is performed. The change of density as a function of applied pressure is used to verify the density result. This patented verification, the filling proof, works reliably for all sample types and is stored in the result data as a pass-fail notification. At the end of the measurement, the detailed result screen is shown. It includes the density result, the filling proof, and additional measuring parameters. Follow-up. After measurement, rinse the system with a suitable solvent to clean the density cell. For fuel samples such as gasoline, diesel or jet fuel, N-pentane is preferred due to its good solubility and high volatility. For aqueous samples, isopropanol or acetone works best. Use a 5 ml syringe and rinse the analyzer twice with N-pentane. To remove the residual solvent from the system, attach the air tube to the inlet assembly and press the pump button on the screen to purge the system. The analyzer is now ready for the next measurement. Verification. ERADENS X offers two pre-configured methods for the verification of the equipment. The air check can be used prior to a measurement to ensure that the density oscillator is free from any contaminants, whereas the water check verifies the overall performance of the analyzer. Measuring a quality control sample such as distilled water at the beginning of each day is a common laboratory practice. If the density result is within the reference limits at the end of the checking procedure, the parameter water check or air check is marked as pass and the analyzer is verified. Data export. The results are stored in the internal memory and can be conveniently exported to an USB drive, printed or transferred to a LIMS via Ethernet connection. Analytics. Trusted solutions reimagined.